Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Sense 2 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on the watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button until you see the Fitbit logo on the screen. And once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, you probably will see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen, find the language you would like to use on your watch, tap on it to select it, and after you select the language, you will need to download and install the Fitbit application on your iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar and type in Fitbit and tap on search. You should see this application on the list, Fitbit Health and Fitness. Tap on it to select it, tap on the get button to download and install the application, and let's wait until it's done installing. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. Once you open the app, you may see a couple of pop-ups about the permissions, for example, Bluetooth permission. This one is required, so I recommend to allow it by tapping on OK. And then you will see the login page. Basically, what we need to do is to log in into a Fitbit account. If you don't have account, you can tap on Join Fitbit and make an account there. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on Login, enter the email address and password, and then tap on Login. After you log in, you may see more pop-ups about the permissions. This one is for the notifications. So basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. And then after you're done with the permissions, you should see the today page of the app. Now tap on the profile icon to open the profile page. And here you should see the button called Set up a device. Tap on it. Select the Sense 2 from the list. Tap on Set Up. Scroll down and tap on I accept. Tap on Next and wait. The app should start searching for the nearby devices, and it should detect your watch after a second or two. And then you will need to enter the code from the watch. Like this. Tap on Pair. As you can see, we have to update the watch. I recommend to plug in the watch to the charger, so it's charging while updating. And once you do, you can tap on Update Now and wait. It might take a while for it to update, so let's wait. Looks like the app got stuck on the installing update phase. As you can see, the watch is already updated and we can use it. So I'm gonna close the app, reopen it, and see what's gonna happen. Now we're gonna tap on profile icon. As you can see, we have the Sense 2 watch right here on the list of devices. We can tap on it, and we can tap on update tracker again. Scroll down, tap on agree. Let's dismiss this for now. Tap next and let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, and the notification about the update went away. So as you can see, the app is not working too well, but if you have the same problem, simply close the app, reopen it, and try to update it again, and the notification should disappear. Okay, and once the devices are done pairing, you will be able to access the settings for your watch right here in the app. And you can see it right here. And of course you can use it, which means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.